Hey everyone and welcome back. Bad audio quality is the number one reason. Whisper AI gives inaccurate transcriptions. Let me show you how to fix your audio before running it through Whisper using free web tools. First, remove background noise. Use a free online tool like Magic Audio or AI Voice Cleaner. Just upload your file and the AI removes fan noise keyboard, clicks and room echo in seconds. No account needed. Second, trim silence from your audio. Long pauses confuse Whisper and can cause it to hallucinate fake words. Use Silent Cut Studio or Clipchamp Silence Remover. Both run in your browser and keep your files private. Third, if you can control the recording, get close to the microphone. Whisper performs best with clear, close voices. Avoid recording multiple people talking at once. Overlapping speech causes major errors. Fourth, for best results, convert your audio to 16 quads now WH format. You can do this online with EZZip or using the free tool Audacity. This matches what Whisper expects and improves accuracy. Fifth, remove the first few seconds of silence from the beginning of your file. Whisper sometimes generates warning text or copyright notices when it hears silence at the start. A quick trim fixes this. Pro tip: process your audio through a noise remover. First, then a silence remover, then transcribe. You will see a huge difference in accuracy. And that is it. Clean audio leads to clean transcripts. Use these free web tools before Whisper and your results will improve dramatically. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.